Hello and welcome to Affinity Vibes YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove the white background from a signature. To know the complete process, please watch this video till the end. Before we begin, if you want to be alerted whenever I release a new Affinity Photo effect tutorial, click the subscribe button, and let's get started. First, select your signature. Just write your signature on a plain white piece of paper. Take a photo with your phone, and upload it to your PC or laptop. Open it on Affinity Photo. So to remove the white background from a signature, here are the steps. Select your signature. Go to Channels. Select the composite red channel. Now the red channel is activated and the blue and green channels are hidden. Go to Adjustment. Levels. Increase black levels and make an entire signature and text completely black. Now decrease the white levels until it looks negative or its background becomes dark, signature becomes white. In short, always keep black levels slightly higher than white levels. For example, if black levels have 50%, make white levels 45%. Here I am using black levels have 75% and white levels 65%. Now go to red channel or right-click and add to pixels selection. This will select entire white portions of signature or text. And add a mask. Now hide levels layer. Still looks like this because the blue and green channels are hidden and only the red channel is activated. Now click below the right side this bend arrow as refresh. And done. Now main part is to always export your signature in PNG format, because only this format maintains transparency. Now, I will suggest you always make your signature in two different colors. One in white and the other in black. Because sometimes when you place your signature in a photo, some areas are not suitable for a black or white signature. I will show you why. To make your signature in both white and black, go to FX. Click Color Overlay. And here, change the color to black or white. And always export it in PNG format to keep it transparent. Now here are a few samples. This image's background is dark or colorful, and it uses a white signature. This image's background is a light color, use a black signature. So you need to understand your image background and use any color signature that is suitable according to the background you are using. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification to receive updates on my brand new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.